Hey, how you doing? And welcome back to the 12 Markets of Christmas series. We're up to episode 2, and today we are in the beautiful historic city of York. Okay, so here we are at the York Christmas Market. This takes place between the 13th of November and the 21st of December. It's open every day between 10 a.m. and 7 p.m. As you wander around the market, you'll find all these alpine style chalets. There's around about 75 of them. You'll get local crafts and drinks and foods. So let's take a look around. You see loads of different stalls there, like selling candles, mead, lots of different things like artwork. You're going to find your usual Christmas things like hot dogs and mulled wine, German beers. So this market is along Parliament Street in the city centre, just to the side of the Shambles.
How is it?
You know, Whitby Distillery there. Lots of different types of gin. So down there is Parliament Street, where a lot more of the alpine chalets are, which we'll take a look down. It's got all your personalised stationery there and cups and various things. Lots of alcohol, a gin distillery. I think we find a lot of alcohol being served at these Christmas markets. Somewhere to get some mulled wine, so let's get one. Hey, can I get a mulled wine, please? Well, I've just got a mulled wine from that stall behind me there. Nice, strong, nice and warm as well in this cold weather. It's about 4 degrees today. So I'm just going to have this drink and then explore more of the market. This mulled wine's really nice, got a bit of a kick to it. It costs £6.50, which I think is probably the going rate for a mulled wine at a Christmas market. This isn't absolutely the biggest of markets compared to some of the other ones that we're going to go to, but it is pretty charming. We want to make our way back around the rest of it. We've only seen about a third of it. Right, so I've just finished that mulled wine, and that really did hit a good spot with how cold it is today. So let's explore some more of the markets. Wow.
It's good. If you want it, you can have it.
even without looking you can tell which are going to be the busy stalls. We're getting samples of gin and getting the alcohol and all the food, and then all the little trinkets and souvenir shops don't tend to be as busy. Steak and chips, pulled beef, truffle chips, and a pie shop. Smells so good. We've reached the end of that side of the market. And then we'll make our way around to the other side. You'll find more stalls. You get macaroons there. This really busy stall is the cheese stall. You get chutneys, preserves and cheeses. Another place selling alcohol this time. It's whiskey, Filey Bay.
Put it in, yeah.
I'm afraid so on that one, yeah. Could I have the potted mustard? Yeah. One back. It's very good. Very good.
Another busy stall. Surprise, surprise, it's selling rum, chocolates, Christmas ornaments. All selling souvenirs and trinkets around this area. Christmas tree decorations. Now we're back up to the top section where all the food and drink areas were. So that is day 2 of the 12 markets of Christmas done. I will see you tomorrow for day number 3, and don't forget to check out the playlist in the description below. So do hit the subscribe button so you get updates when new videos are released, and I will see you tomorrow.